So as I said, there is a promise human genome sequence. Tuberculosis is our obligation as a nation. I feel obligated. So I thought there should be a dream project in which thousands of young people will work. After the Indian Genome Variation Project, where 158 people work together, I thought thousands of people I want. But the problem is, the moment you bring thousands of people, my God, they fight so much. The difficulty to manage those people, keep them humor, then I spend all my time solving their emotional problem. Right? So therefore the decision was, I want to do a 1,000 people project, but without physically seeing them. Right? So the OSDD is an outcome of that dream. Now you look at it. Why are we able to make Rantac at such a low cost? If these medicines that are there in this great discoveries, itastatin, discovered by Brown and Goldstein's research, Lipitor, but it is not Lipitor. Right? It is atorvastatin. This is 5 rupees. This bunch of tablets, there is metformin, blood sugar. If you take this bunch of tablets, these are the 2 tablets I want to show you. There is one tablet, it maintains your blood sugar by absorbing sugar. Exact function we don't know, but we know it's metformin. It takes away intracellular uptake of the sugar, thereby maintain a blood sugar. This is called Genovia, a new drug by SmithKline Beecham. This is a generic. Everybody, it's very low cost. Is 1 rupee tablet. This is $5 a tablet. This makes your blood sugar same function but better efficient. It also acts as multiple site. Okay? It inhibits your hunger. So you are actually very good well off. In the fear, SmithKline, GSK, that Indians will make a generic, they launched the new drug in India at $1. So this is 45 rupees a tablet. And this is 1 rupee a tablet. Tell me, 99% people of India will afford which one? Can they afford this? Now, will Indian generic company make this? Answer is no. First, it is intellectual property protected. Number 2, already they have selling at $5 to the Americans, Europeans, who made the discovery. And Indians at $1 because Indians will copy otherwise. Now, since it is $1, you will not start copying because you will spend money and then they will reduce it to $0.5. Then they will reduce to $0.25, 10 rupees. Then, tomorrow business gone. So, look at, I can afford it, but millions can't. Can we afford this situation to continue? Answer is no. So therefore, what is this? This is a small chemical molecule. Only difference is it binds to 2 sites, not 1. Okay? This one, we still don't know the very good active site. Where does it bind? Right? Not enough study. But since it becomes generic, nobody bothers. But this is the best medicine, I can tell you. At this moment, when you have early stages of. Then, when your blood sugar goes too high, then you need to take one more medicine. And that medicine is little more expensive. Generic, but more expensive. So therefore, how do I convert the new discoveries IPR free and then use the machinery to make everything cheap? And that's the model of open source drug discovery. This box, this set of tablets for my next 4 days cost me Since you got that damn medicine. See, whatever that 1/4 tablet cost, the rest of them cost the same. Okay? So this costs 200 rupees, the rest all is 200 rupees. This would have been $200 if we're all branded. Now, whom we owe? We owe to Pandit Nehru, who realized in 1950s that we need to build a chemistry laboratory, Central Drug Research Laboratory, which will actually make public-funded drug discovery. Nobody in the world made it. And it is this. You will be surprised. Till 1970, Indians were paying more for the medicine than an American and European. If you had typhoid, only in 60s, your only hope to put ice and pray to God. Go to church, go to temple, and hope that you will not die, because you could not afford chloromycetin. It is Mrs. Gandhi who brought this legislation of 1970s patent law change, which allowed the scenario change. That led to process patent, our product patent, and new chemistry. And 3 CSIR laboratories, Central Drug Research Institute, National Chemical Laboratory, and Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, all 3 developed this huge chemistry of generics, which eventually led to India a powerhouse in the world. So therefore, it is important. The dream was 20 years ahead. 20 years later, this has happened. So, why open source? How open source? And what open source? So now you have understood why open source. You have seen already yourself how open source, how you are learning, and you want to know eventually what is open source. You want finally, other than learning, the exercise of making discoveries of drugs.